Yo, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It is I, BVF Collection, Bad Vibes Forever Collection, bringing you yet another unwrapping unboxing video. Today we got ourselves the year 2, season 2 of the Legacy drop, Xxxtentacion X Revenge Part 2. This is the second year in a row. They did it last year in 2024. We're here in 2025. Boom, got the 2025 version. In this package, we got ourselves a purple Heartbreak bejeweled hoodie in size double XL, okay? I'm very excited to open this because at this time of recording, there's like 2 people that have posted on Reddit what this thing looks like, and they did not do this thing justice. And I'm here to bring it justice. Hopefully, my lighting will not do it justice. Anyways, I'm going to go outside afterwards and put it on, whatever. I need to see what this thing looks like so bad. So, yeah, with that said and done, we're going to go ahead freaking unwrap this bad boy. There's like a little thing right here, which I think is the stickers, but we'll find out in here in a moment. Let's do this thing. Just got here just now. It's like February 7th or 8th. I got it. I ordered January 23rd, aka X's birthday drop, whatever. Here we go. So do the time. Ugh, promise I'm not this week. Okay. So we got the cardboard right here. I'm happy they put this. Okay, this is nice to make sure my stickers do not get messed up. Oh crap, coin claw. Hold on, give me a second. Boom, coin claw now. Pow, trusty dusty. Let's go and rip this bad boy. Pow. Oh, nope, we got more tape around. Sorry, I'm just really excited for this bejeweled Heartbreak, so we're gonna open that last because I got 3 things. We got this, keychain, stickers, keychain, and then bejeweled Heartbreak purple. Come on. I'm freaking chalking the unboxing. Unwrapping, whatever. Boom. All right, now we're good. Ta-da. Wait. Come on. Ta-da. Freaking stupid tape. All right. Ta-da. Look at this. We got the killing. We got the freaking bad vibes, by the way. Bad vibes. I'm sure we're going to see this in the upcoming bad drop, this logo. We got the Revenge logo with all those weird line things. I don't like that. Revenge down here. The classic Revenge is in the creator's hands right here. And we got both Mickeys. Very happy with this. Freaking $8, $5, whatever. Super sick. Seeing people trying to get 75 retail or resale for that. Insane. Let's go ahead. Oh crap. Address. Let's not leak my address. Hold up. And then, all right, here we go. Boom. All the items right there. You know what I'm saying? We got the freaking sticker. We got the chain. We got the freaking purple Heartbreak bejeweled double XL. freaking tired. This is a lot. Okay. You already know we got the kill handbags back again for the second year in a row. Here we go. Boom. Oh, what the heck? They put the keychain inside? Oh, what? That was nice of them, I guess. I've never seen that. Okay, here we go. Purple rhinestones in person. They look like a dark red, but my dad called it mauve or mauve. I think M-A-U-V-E. That's the color name. We're going to go ahead and take out the keychain first. I'm going to go take pictures of this dead stock afterwards. So you didn't see me unzip that. That is still dead stock. But anyways, the bag keychain right here. Here we go. Bag keychain. Got to take pictures of this dead stock too. It's like a little weed baggie. You know what I'm saying? Keychain. Pretty cool. Yeah, so I'll be right back. Going to go ahead and take dead stock pictures of these 2, and then we'll get into the actual unboxing, unwrapping part of it. See ya in a couple seconds. Later. And we're back. Boom. All right, so pictures have been taken. Yeah, so just want to say got this for $5 or $8, can't remember. I just know it was 160 out the door. This was like $8, I know that. I really like the size of the chain. Let's go ahead and open this first. The bag keychain. Let's try to make it kind of a clean cut, you know, right below the little sticker thing here. All right, cool. That's as good as I'm gonna get. Gotta put this on my keys, you know what I'm saying? Whoa, okay. This is sick. I'm a huge fan. I mean, it's literally the name of this channel. Bad. I love the Bad brand, so having a bad keychain, freaking sick. And this logo is growing on me. Usually this like particular version of the logo isn't my favorite, but it's growing on me. So honestly, really happy I got this thing. I forgot what it's made out of. Definitely not like stainless steel or silver, but yeah. This I'm just gonna keep in here. There's really no point undead stocking it, so there's that. But the main attraction, peoples, the double XL purple Heartbreak hoodie with rhinestones that are rhinestones. Yeah, my mom looked at it. She was like, it looks kind of like copper. So my dad goes mauve or mauve or whatever. Mom says copper, and I just hope it's freaking purple in the sunlight. Here we go. The unveiling. My first double XL of the new blanks, by the way. Okay. This definitely looks like a burgundy red to me. Not a purple like the website, I'll be honest. Yeah, on camera, this looks the exact same. I don't know if you're watching this on a desktop, like a computer, it might look different. But through the camera and in person, this is exactly what it looks like. Like the same thing, no color difference. Let's go and open it up. That looks sick. I'm not gonna lie, that does look pretty sick. Let's go ahead and boom, pow. Okay, in person, this does look a little bit better. I'm not gonna lie. Like, the hoodie is a lot more black in person. This is more like a faded in the camera. I heard these are on new blanks. I'm not too sure how true that is, but we'll see. We don't have the, what do you call it? We literally just have this tag. No QR code tag anymore. It's kind of interesting. Let's go and check out the neck tag. Oh, double XL. My first double XL of the new blanks. Let's go and check out the Heartbreak. This is my second rhinestone piece of the new era. Fourth rhinestone piece in general. Yeah, this thing is pretty freaking dope. Definitely not getting purple vibes though. Like, it does not look purple like the what do you call it? The listing said or showed. So I'm kind of disappointed there. I need to see this in light to really know, but yeah, this is pretty much what you're seeing is what I got. Like, this really does just look like a dark red. But then when I do this, it's just black. I don't know how I feel yet. I need to freaking try it on. See how I like the double XL blank. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the unboxing video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I sure hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. All that good stuff. Turn on the notification bells. And I'll catch you guys on the flip side in the next video. Have a great day. My apologies for the wind, but in conclusion, in the right lighting, this thing is purple as it can be. Super purple, super lit, not rust color, not mauve or whatever, but nice and purple in the natural lighting of the sun. Thanks for watching.